iMove. Tutorial 2, How to add new characters.
In this video, we will show you how to set up new characters and create a character list. For this demo, we will download some characters from Mixamo. You can skip this step if you already have a humanoid character. Ensure the download format is FBX for Unity, then press the download button. Within your project folder, create another folder called Prefabs. And within the Prefabs folder, create another folder called Characters. Here, create another folder with the name of your character. We will store all assets related to this character within this folder. Drag and drop your character FBX file for Unity into this folder. Go to the Rig tab of your character import and change the animation type to Humanoid. Remember to press the Apply button, or else these changes won't be saved. Since this example character is from Mixamo, we will need to extract the texture and the material. The textures and materials have been extracted and applied. Now it's time to right-click the character import and create a prefab variant. Name this variant Character Prefab, followed by the name of the character. This way we will easily be able to tell that it is a usable character for the iMove character list. Next, we will create a character list. Right-click on the Characters folder, then navigate to the Glass Vault Studio namespace. Here you will find iMove and the character list. Add your project name to the end of the character list. This way, it is easy to distinguish from the demo scene character lists. Next, let's finish setting up the character prefab variant. Open the character prefab variant. Then add the iMove character setup component to the variant. Select the animation pack that matches what you installed. We strongly recommend Movement AnimSet Pro by Kubold. It will give you the best experience, since iMove was designed using this animation pack. The iMove character setup will automatically update your animator with the animation controller that matches the animation pack that you selected. These files are stored in the iMove integration folders, so be careful not to delete them. iMove will automatically apply root motion, which will ensure the animations are controlling the movement of the player. Animation-driven transforms will provide more realistic player movement, in turn giving the user a more polished experience. There is a Check Component Dependencies button, so that you can double-check to make sure you have all the recommended dependencies for the integration components. If all of them are green, you can press the Add All Components button. iMove will automatically add all of the integrated assets with the adjusted settings for iMove. It will also add all of the manager scripts for controlling those integrated assets so that they work smoothly with iMove and don't interfere with each other. Next, add the character prefab variant to the character list. Make sure you add the variant that we just set up and not the original character import. Select the iMove player that is within your scene. Change the character list to the one that we created for this project. Select your default character from the new list. Now we're ready to hit play and test out the new character. The player appears to be working as expected. Let's add some obstacles so that we can test out the parkour and the foot grounding. The parkour, ragdoll, and foot grounding are working as expected. One important thing to note for the parkour: if your character is floating above the target parkour object, you may need to adjust the position offsets within the GVS vault and GVS mantle components on the character. These offsets will allow you to use the same vault and mantle presets with different sizes of characters. That's all for this session. In the next video, we'll show you how to use the iMove interactable component to change characters by interacting with an object in scene. Bye for now, and we'll see you next time.